What's good in the hood, Josh? Homie, back again with another video. My style, untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone. What's up with the Blade fam? All right, I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be like a little review slash how-to video. Okay, guys, like a little hack in a way. So not recently, but I've been a WWE fan for like ever since I was a kid, right? I got into it because of my sisters, but besides that, I'll save that for another time, you know, for storytelling and stuff like that. I ended up getting into a new hobby, which is buying a whole bunch of WWE titles. Boy, you already know, you see the vibes out in here. But yeah, so I went on to Amazon looking up title belts, championship title belts, right? And I came across one of the classic WWF Winged Eagle belt. But further ado, let me show you guys real quick for the new guys out there and new females or whatever. Oh my God, sorry. Oh shoot, hang on. I gotta move the mic away. Bam. I don't think it's gonna be all up in the camera unless I do it like that. But here she is. Yep. It's a nice looking belt, by the way. Yeah, I got this on Amazon for like 80 bucks. It was on sale and you get what you paid for. I got this belt right here and it came kind of damaged. Not really necessarily damaged, but like the paint and stuff was coming off, as you can see right here. And of course these plates right here, I don't know if it's going to catch on camera, but the color is like fading. I don't know the correct terminology for it, but you know what I'm saying? I looked it up on YouTube and try to see if there's a way I can restore it without, you know, having to pay a whole bunch of money or dipping it in gold and stuff like that. I came across this thing right here. Chrome marker. This is gold, by the way. I seen the reviews on Amazon and they say it was really good. It was worth buying. It was on sale, 5-pack for like 15 bucks. I'll leave a link down below, but at the making of this video, it was on sale. I don't know if it's going to be on sale anymore because regular price was like 25 to 30 bucks. Yeah, this is going to be my first time too trying it out. So let's see if it works or not. All right, guys. And if it does, then I'm going to post this video. If not, I'm going to still post it just to let you guys know it didn't work. Okay, let's go. Okay, please work. Please, please, please. This is a very nice title, by the way. I'm going to do this. Ugh. I need a bigger table. Hopefully that doesn't fall. All right. You're just gonna, you know, color the sides. Anything coming out? Do I have to press it? It says it can work on any surface. Oh, and it said it's like waterproof too. Hang on, let me just. Oh, it's still dry. Oh, my bad. Ugh. Do I have to like wet this first or something? Do I have to spit on it? That's what she said. Dude, why is it so dried out? Oh my goodness, this thing is like hard as a rock. I see it. I see some color coming out. Okay. This does not look right at all. I'm so sorry. There you go. Oh man. All right, let's go. Oh, dudes, it's working. Yo, I think I found a solution. Yeah, hey, yo. It's like almost perfect. It says it's a high quality gloss, by the way, so that's pretty dope too, right? Oh my God. I just saved myself a lot of money, y'all. Oh, I'm whispering, my bad. I just saved myself a lot of money. Oh my Lord. Hang on. Hold the phone. Let me look at this. Let me take a closer look at this real quick. Hey, yo, it's not that bad. Dude, I should have took a picture of like the before and after. Don't mind that I did a bad job, but once you clean it up a little bit, it's like perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like it matches the same gold color that it came with. Does that make sense? Dude, I did it. Found a solution, y'all. This is a new hack right here. So for all you guys that don't want to spend like $400 on, you know, a replica title, want to go the cheap route and get one of these bad boys on Amazon for like $80 to $100. And if it comes damaged or, you know, the color's fading, dude, right here, chrome markers, you guys are actually really good, man. Like I'm impressed. 15 bucks for a quick fix like this, that's not bad. That's actually worth it. Dude, I'm blown. Oh yeah, that's all I'm gonna do on camera for right now, but for the other stuff I'll probably just take more time to, you know, get it like evened out, you know what I'm saying? But look at that. That's not bad. And it shines too. High gloss. There wasn't lying. Oh man, liquid markers, y'all. That's it. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button.
Smash, smash,
Comments down below, let me know if it's a good hack and if I helped you guys out and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I was searching up on YouTube and I couldn't find like anything about like how to take care of your belts or like bring it back, you know, like bring the shine back. But that is not bad at all. All I gotta do is just like color it a little bit more just to make it more even, and it's gonna look brand new. Yo, let's go. Drop a like for real. Damn. All right, y'all, that's gonna be my time for right now. It's just a quick little video to help out all the WWE fans or any, you know, wrestling fans, UFC fans, boxing fans, whatever that has heavyweight titles and stuff like this. You feel me? Yeah, guys, dang, that's what's up. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day. With that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Hey, yo, I'm still shocked. Oh, snap. Another thing is you gotta wait a long time for it to dry up. I got on. Okay, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Championship title. My style untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone. Here come days, my support. When I shoot them down, just smoke on the spot.